super excited. How are you doing? You're welcome to today's financial trading culture series with Mayowa Owolabi. Guys, I'm really excited about today's case study. Super pumped up about what I'm about to review to you. I want to thank you all for returning visitors, subscribers, and new visitors. Thank you so much for coming in. Okay, so if this is your first time, make sure you click on the subscriber button right now and click on the notification bell, because a lot of information has been shared here. You want to check our previous videos to help your trading, guys, either in the Forex market, in the cryptocurrency market, and also in the stocks market. Guys, I'm really pumped up about what I'm about to share with you. In our community, we picked this trade over 3 months ago and really pumped up about the result. And this is what is possible. Okay, this is over 500 pips and with about seven pips stop loss, and we're able to catch over 520 pips, and this trade is still running. And guess what? This is very close, very close to where we're going to be looking out for a sell opportunity. We're going to be holding for another 6 months to 1 year. The question is, are you ready to make the kind of money that you want? You want to get stay tuned and follow us to the end. And at the end of today's training, I'm going to be announcing a major event that is free for you to attend. Just wait till the end of the event. So let's get to the screen. This is our Discord, our Telegram group, and on this Telegram group, we posted the results. Okay, you can see the chart right there. Let me save it and bring it up back for you guys. Jeez, come on, guys. Okay, it's not loading here, so let me. Oh, sorry, I didn't save it. I didn't save it. I didn't save it. Good. I want you guys to see it. Let's go. So we're able to catch this trade in the community, and this has gone over 500 pips. Over 500 pips. So how were we able to get this, guys? Very simple. Very simple. We picked it from a weekly zone, and the market has been showing a retracement. So we have we are waiting for the reversal zone here. We have our sell right here. That's where we're going to be selling from. So we knew that this market was going to be on a continuation. So we have this drop-based rally. We have this drop-based rally, and we have this rally-based rally. So on this rally-based rally, we went to weekly charts, and on weekly charts, we're able to catch this fifth zone, this supply that this demand destroyed. And immediately the market came back into it. What did we do? We went as far as 5 minutes, as 4 hours. So immediately the market hit this rally-based rally, we went to 4 hours. So on 4 hours, there were so many opportunities for us here. We waited and we needed to see a confirmation entry. So the market pushed up, and when it gave us this break of structure, we came back for this, to this 15% of this entry. Okay, so that gave us close to about between 7 and 10 pips. between 7 and 10 pips. Okay. Because even on 15 minutes, it came lower. Okay. That's it. That's it. Good. So immediately it did that. This was our entry spot. It's about 15 pips stop loss, 14 pips stop loss. And we call the trade around 504, 113.52. That's where we call the trade. That's where we call the trade. So we call the trade around 113.54, 53. So that's exactly 113.53. So that's where we got in on the trade, and we went in about 7 pips stop loss. So guys, we held that trade for a very long time, like very, very long time. So on that demand, on this demand, the market picked up on that demand, on this demand, and shot up well. So as at today, this is where we are at the moment. So these are where we are at the moment, and that's about 1 to 50, 1 to 6, over 1 to 50 trade. So this is how you want to catch this kind of move. Number one, you want to make sure you have a rejection zone, either your supply or demand, your flip zone. But in this case, is a demand. The market went up and came back into that demand. Like I gave you on the part 2 of the entry strategy, I gave you confirmation entry. And on the confirmation entry, we saw that on 4 hours break of structure, and the market came in and we shot up. So that's how to catch long trade, 500 pips, 600 pips, 700 pips, as the case may be. Guys, you have all it takes. But the question is, don't let the result that you want let you break the rules of the game. You must be able to obey the rules and be consistent at it. So this is an example. Over 500 pips is still running, and I'm really excited about this. Okay, so make sure you practice your strategy. Make sure you apply it on a higher time frame and enter on a lower time frame, and keep journal. Now, when one trade wins, keep the record. Study why the trade won and repeat again and again. So you just keep repeating. You keep following the process. You keep repeating. You keep following the process. You keep repeating till you get there. And that is what we have for you today on this case study. Over 1 to 60 risk reward, and also over 500 pips. That's about 520 pips. That's a lot, guys. That's a lot. On a $10, you would have made $500. Okay, on $100, you would have made over $5,000. Okay, on $1,000, you would have made $50,000. That is what we're talking about, guys. Guys, remember, this didn't happen. It's about 3 months. This is about 3 months trade. So it's not 1 week. It's not a day trade. Okay, you're gonna also play with your emotion. But guys, you have all it takes. When your eye is on the goal, you can always meet it. Okay, and here is the announcement for tomorrow. We have an event by 7 p.m. West African time. You want to make sure you are at this event. Guys, I'm going to be sharing tomorrow on an amazing ways to multiply your money in the Forex market. So make sure you are glued to your laptop, to your screen, to any of the way any of your gadget, so that you will be online and you're good to go. So you can join on YouTube, you can join on on Facebook. Those are the two platforms we're going to be streaming tomorrow. And this event, I'm going to be answering a lot of questions, live and direct. How can I make thousands of dollars every single month? Okay, 19th of March 2022, 7 p.m. tomorrow. So I'll be glad to have you around so that we can answer your questions and you can multiply your money and you're good to go. So guys, that'll be all for today. Don't forget, if this is your first time, if you've never subscribed, you want to click on the subscription button and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any available offer that we have for you. See you guys tomorrow at the event. I'll talk to you guys soon. My name remains Mayowa Owolabi. Cheers. Bye-bye.